betrayers, lies, dark secrets, and crazy chaos that will blow your mind.
Oh my God!
This is Clean My Mess, the series where I, the cleaner, break down the drama of real life stories with no filters and no mercy.
I don't want peace.
Are you ready? Let's get into today's story. I don't even know how to start this, but here goes. I am a 32-year-old man and I've been married to my husband
God have mercy upon us.
for 3 years. We met through a dating app, instantly clicked and fell in love. It felt like fate. He was everything I had ever wanted: caring, supportive, and my perfect match. But 2 months ago, everything changed. We decided to dig into our family histories because we were planning to adopt a child. And during the process, we uncovered something horrifying.
Yeah.
We share the same father.
Did he shock me?
Ooh. Yes, my husband is my biological half brother.
Jesus!
I was in shock. How could this happen? We grew up in different cities, had no idea about each other, and yet here we are married. He broke down when we found out, and so did I.
This man!
Now we don't know what to do. Legally, our marriage might not even be valid anymore, but emotionally, I love him. He is my soulmate, my partner, my everything. We haven't told anyone because we know the backlash would be unbearable. But we can't keep living like this, pretending it's all okay. The worst part is we were happy before we knew. Now I'm terrified that everything we have built is about to crumble. Should we stay together and live with this secret, or end it all and try to move on? I don't even know who to turn to. Okay, that was messy.
Hunger don't collect some department for inside my brain, mix them with water.
Real bad, messy. Let me take a deep breath because this is a level of chaos I wasn't ready for.
Jesus. Did he shock me?
First of all, I can't even imagine the emotional roller coaster you are on right now. To go from being in love and building a life together to discovering this.
God have mercy upon us.
That's a nightmare nobody could prepare for. But let me keep it real. This situation is bigger than just emotions. The reality is staying together might feel like the easiest thing, but is it really sustainable? You're not just dealing with your own feelings. You're dealing with legal issues, societal judgment, and the mental toll of knowing the truth. Now, I'm not here to tell you what to do, but you need to ask yourself some hard questions. Can you live with the secrecy forever? Because let's be real, the truth has a way of coming out no matter how much you try to hide it. And when it does, the fallout could even be worse. Anyways, I am not going to sit here and act like working away is easy. You love this man and I get that. But love isn't always enough when the stakes are this high. My advice, talk to a therapist, Someone who can help you navigate this mess without judgment. At the end of the day, this isn't just about what's right or what's wrong. It's about what you can live with. Whatever you decide, know this: you didn't choose this, and you're not alone. But staying silent isn't the answer. So just face the truth, even if it hurts, and figure out what's next from there.